Shareables Notion integration just got an upgrade. We now support page content in blocks, so you can write all the content and style it however you would inside your Notion by adding different block types. And then on your widget, you can actually display all the content in here. So as an example, we have a new widget here called the Notion blog template, but this works for all widgets too. If I were to click on one of these blogs, I can scroll down and see the content that is coming directly from my Notion page in here. And this is SEO friendly as well. And we support up to 20,000 different Notion pages. So this is a great way to build a feature-rich blog that is powered by Notion. It's super easy to set up. When you're in Shareables, choose the widget you'd like. For this case, I'm choosing our blog and our new Notion blog. I'll then click Use Template, and then I will connect Notion. I'll connect my Notion account and then press Continue. I can either start fresh if I don't already have a Notion database that I want to use, or I can use existing data. So I'm going to press Start Fresh. After starting fresh, I'll land into the Shareables widget editor, where on the left-hand side here, we can see the preview of the widget we're creating. And on the right-hand side, we can see our editing controls and that the source is Notion. Now, the first thing you'd want to do is decide where you want to put your page content from Notion. I'm going to put it inside the details page. So if I go to my details page here and then go down to fields, I can add Notion page content. This will only appear if the integration you're using is Notion. Once you've done that, a new field will be added, and you may see a little warning sign here, or in your widget, see this bit here which says your Notion database must be published to the web. This is really easy to do. So what you want to do is go up to the source tab and click Open Notion. This will take you directly to where your database is that has your posts. Now head up to the Share button and then click Publish, and then Publish once more. Once that's done, your content will now be accessible. So if we head back to our widget editor and then refresh the page, after refreshing the page, if we go to our details page, we'll see our Notion page content has been pulled in nicely. This is exactly what we want to see. Okay. When I'm ready to have it up and live in the world, all I need to do is press Publish. Once I've published, I can then either add my widget back to my own website with a script tag, or I can create a shareable website. It's that simple. And now my page content is live, ready, and SEO friendly, so anyone can access it.